Hey guys, I've made a couple of videos about where you can find some free fonts and graphics. I will actually link them in the description box, and pretty much whenever I come across something that I think you guys will find useful, I will likely make a video about it. So, and like I said, I'll link them in the video description. I'm pretty sure that the format that I am recording this video in is not going to allow for those little end screen images that you see on the ends of some YouTube videos and even some of my own. So I will link that stuff in the description box again. But I wanted to show you another website that you can get some free goodies for your design projects, whether they are digital art printables or your whiteboard animation videos. You know, I know that, I belong to the Doodly group on Facebook, and I've seen a lot of people asking, where can I get fonts and stuff like that. So this is what I am showing you today. This is Creative Market. And on Creative Market, you can find all kinds of really cool stuff. You can find photos, you can find graphics. I'm sure you can find SVG graphics. In fact, SVG, yeah. So you can find all kinds of SVG stuff in here, which if you're using whiteboard animation, I know with Doodly, the SVG files are what allows you to put the image in there or the graphic into the software, and the stuff's kind of already drawn out for you. You can just load in the paths and it's already done for you. I'm also going to link the video where I show you guys how to do that in the description box as well. So you've got fonts, you've got all kinds of really cool stuff here. And these are all ready to use. They usually show up in a zip file, and they've got so many different ones, so many different price points. They have templates, wedding invitations and postcards and business cards and all kinds of stuff that you can get here. And if you happen to be a creator, then you can open up your own shop and sell your stuff here. So anyway, when you go to Creative Market, what you would do is you would join now, you'd set up a free account, and that kind of positions you to get their emails. And I know people aren't always in love with getting emails, but they're not going to bombard you with a bunch of stuff that you don't want. They're going to let you know what kinds of sales they're having, and they're totally going to let you know what freebies they've got going on, okay? And it's stuff that you're going to want to know. So if you go to get free goods, and again, you'll have this show up in your email once you create your account, then they're going to show you what's free. And I believe this stuff is free until, I don't know, mid-August. But like I said, this is what showed up in my email today. And like I grabbed this one, and it usually, like I said, it shows up in a zip file, and you can kind of just take a look and see all the different ways the font is used. And it does come with a couple of different versions. So like that's clean, but this one, you can tell it has a rougher look to it. And I like both. So these are all the things you can do with this font. And what's also cool about Creative Market is, you might look for mock-up photos, and I know that they are here as well. So anyway, I just thought it was really cool. And again, when you're starting out, new business, new venture, new creative project, you're probably on a budget. And so stuff like this really helps. As far as the licensing type, you'll click on something like this, it'll tell you what the licensing type is and what you can use it for, what you can do with it. And if you have questions, you can always look at their FAQ page. Well, this is their license terms, but they also have an FAQ page, and you'll get that information there. It's always good stuff to look at, when you're not 100% sure what you can use the graphics and the fonts and stuff for. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and maybe it'll be useful and helpful to you. And while I come across cool stuff like this, free or deeply discounted products that I think you guys will benefit from, then I am going to let you know, just like I am doing now. So I will have all of this stuff in the description box of this video, so please make sure to check that out in addition to any relevant videos, anything that I've filmed showing you a couple other, websites where you can get free stuff. I hope you found this helpful, and until next time, take care.